Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all of my students and whoever is watching with this video right now. I hope and pray that you all are in your very good health, keeping yourself safe, putting the masks and washing your hands frequently, maintaining the social distancing. Very important, yes. It is still important. It's still very important, please. I hope you all understand. And now we are used to of all these things. These are not new to us now because we have been practicing it daily, and it's been like 1.5 years now. So you should understand the importance of that, right? Another reminder, which is very important, is to subscribe the channel, please, and give the videos thumbs up. Very important, and do share it with your friends because we want them to spread, and we want them to we want that all of your friends also see and have a look at them and enjoy all the videos which you're making. So we will get the opportunity to make more and more videos for all of you because we love making videos for you. The teachers are they are doing so much of effort to make these lectures for all of you. So yeah, we only are asking you a small favor of just subscribing the channel. uh, so that we will be encouraged to make more and more fun videos and lectures videos, right? Okay, so we are going to start our class, and right now we are in a numeracy class in which yes, we are mostly playing with numbers in the numeracy in a maths class. So today we will be doing the same, and we will be doing the numbers which are missing. Oh my god, sometimes there are numbers which are missing, so we are going to put them, and we are going to help all the numbers stand together, right? So missing numbers is always fun. So we are going to start it with our book Maths Wise Book number 2. Yes, all of you, please take out your Maths Wise Book number 2, in which we are going to do a little of the exercise, and then we are going to do the big numbers, and we are going to find that how we can fill in the missing. So take out page number 55. Yes, all of you take out page number 55. Yeah, the second exercise on page number 55 we are going to do. You know that you know the numbers, but we are going to just again try to fill in them. Okay, so this is starting from the 0 and 1, right? And this goes up to number 10. So we're going to start from 0. Okay, so this is in the sequence. So this will be very easy for you to do. So 0, 1, then, yeah, so you need to write 2. So quickly write 2 over here. 3, then what comes between 3 and 5? 4. Okay, and what comes between 5 and 7? 6. Okay, now what comes before 9? 8. That's great. And what comes after 9? 10. And that is lovely. Okay, that's great. So you're going to write here 10. Okay, what comes before 5 or after 7? Okay, so we are going to write after 7. 6. Okay, what comes before 3 over here? 4. Okay, and what comes before 10? 9. Okay, now so we are going to write here 9. Okay, right? So this is how we fill in the missing numbers. So here we're going to do the bigger ones. Okay, we will be writing the bigger numbers over here. Now, yes, we're going to write that. Okay, now I am just going to give you a number. Okay, 49 dash dash 49, 49, then there's dash and dash. Now, what do you think are the two missing numbers over here after 49? What comes after 49? 4010? Yeah, that's great. That is 5050 and 5151. That's lovely. Okay, that's great. So the bigger number, even you know what comes after that. That's really nice. Okay. So now what should I give you? I should give you 33 and 35. Now what will come between 33 and 35? Can you tell me what comes between 33? 33? Yes, 33. Then we're going to fill. Yay, 34 and 35. That is lovely. Great. Yes. Okay. You are doing well. Okay, so I'm going to give you 24 dash dash. Okay, that's great. 25, 26. Okay. Wow, you are pretty smart. You can do that. Okay. Now this time, 30. Yeah, what comes before 30? What comes before 30? 29. And what comes before 29? Okay, that's great. 28. There. 28, 29, 30. Well done. Very good. Okay. So we're going to, I'll give you another one. That is what comes before 55 and after 55. What comes before 55? Okay, that says 54, 55, 56. Lovely. Yes. This says 56. Wonderful, wonderful. That is great. Okay. That is lovely. Okay. So we are going to, I'm just going to give you another one. 75. 75. Okay. What comes over here? What comes over here? What, 72? 73. Okay, that's it. Then 74. Then 75. Yay, that is great. Okay, lovely. Wow, this seems that this is easy for you, right? Okay, now I should give you something very, very difficult. Okay. Yes, 80. What comes before 80? What comes before 80? Oh, wow, yes, that is 79. And after 80? 81. Yay, that is great. Amazing. Super good, super good, super good. That is great that you have done that. Amazing. You know the numbers. Now you're going to practice that at home. So you have all the numbers, know which are missing, and you can fill them, whether if it's difficult one or whether if it's the easiest one, right? So this was a maths class in which we have done missing numbers. So I'm going to see you in the next class. Then please stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever we have. Till we see each other soon, inshallah. I'm going to say goodbye and Allah Hafiz.